Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u an.
Ka Meghalaya kadon hapdeng kading namar udrak HIV TB but AIDS dei ki balang ni ki chinget ban yakun persya ong ulat kacela Shillong arpuai trik nailur arhasat arpusan kum kaching iburo markeliang ia ki chinget beper ban long sipara para briu kadon kaching ikenduk lang kabalai puar chungki pai riunget ki badon ha ki chinget beper kata ka annual get together chungka harmony of all faiths Kepala Penlong Daka Central Pucha Committee Harama Krishna Mission Laimkra Ulat Kacela Meghalaya UCH Vichaya Shankar Ubalongkum Ukongsan Ulakren Persya Ya Kechinglong Chingman Kabayadei Bat Ke Imlang Salang Bat Ke Koit Kakia Apo Kacela Ulat Ulapan Pau Ya Keching Benyau Kabacur Ya Keching Don Chong Keching Syakta Ha Keching Di Penbuat Kum Udrok Ha Kabakum Ba 10% Kipat Ba Kacela Meghalaya Kila Syakta Bat nyup 10% naki kidai kisamla. Uloong bakani kala ban pencot yaki ying kisam bat yaki imlang salang berok kawai lada om simkia. Ula kenturu ban simkia yaki wei pat kicing hakakot kakia kum ka HIV, AIDS, TB bat kansa. Da kabakot yakacing ya trailang nakinong yalam balang kirang ba snong bat kilong ying long sam
made
ban
its
yatre
place
ringkat
all
lang
over the
bat
world in
kitenat
all
sorkar
nations
bat ki
within a few
hospital
days.
ban yarap ye kitu ke balasya kta
It is simply
habakren halor
Durga
kaching bankam
Puja.
chongkaniam
It
uvicha
is
ya
the
shankar
mother's
uloong
worship
ba kaching
that is
yaro
done
uvishisha chongkaniam
somehow
handai kaching
in
tip yalabiu
eastern part of
kaching
India.
shisha kaching burom
This
yikiwei bat
autumnal
kaching
celebration
sakril yaki
like
imlang
a
salang
pita seat
handrai lada lapen
in the
bakla
mother's
bat
womb.
pendon kam bakla
The
yakaniam
Jagadamba
kanon
is the
rai ong
name
ya
of
kaching yapher
Ma
ya kaching
Bhagavati
gom
who is
song sik song shlong
worshipped.
ulapan
We
pau
welcome
kaching kenen
all
ban
children
yu
of
i Daka
Divine
Central
Mother,
Pucha Committee
irrespective
kalala ban pen ya
creed,
sok lang ya kinong ya
color,
lamyang
culture,
baper
everything.
hakaway
So we
kerensan
not only
bar ula batairu shakhang
during Mother
anu ban
worship in
yok
our
ya kaching ya
puja,
tali
it
kebakrau
includes
bat
everything.
kabakopang ulat ulapan
Serving
pau
others,
ya
we
kaching smukya
consider
halor kaching
somebody
hiar
as
chongka
our
akor
friend,
keburom chongki
somebody as our
samla
created
hakaba
by
ula
us
terpat
as
ya kaching
individuals
kiripa bat
to
kinong yalang snong
mother
bakin yalam bat ai ching hikai
in
terpam
your
yakani
home
knang
of
ban
love
nonra ya kaching yak
rather than
shaprang
home.
kabatei yaki imlang saaling ulapan syairu ya kaching yakun persya yaki drugs HIV, AIDS, TB bat kansa kamdei tangkakam chong ka sorkar handrei kadai kakam ram chong barok kawai ka imlang ka salang
I am so happy to be here with you people on this special occasion. United by Puja Committee during Navratri. Respected Minister, respected Swamiji, respected Bhattacharji, respected all religious heads who are present here, respected all community leaders who have been gathered here, Deviya or Sajjan Bhagavad. I have been heard the speech of everyone, and according to me, religion means it is nothing but a way of life. Religion means it is nothing but a way of life. The main purpose of religion is self-realization. Self-realization. Who I am. Who I am. This is the main motto Until and unless I realize myself, I cannot understand who I am. I cannot understand why I took birth here. What is the main purpose of taking birth here? So we do not understand any other issues. Not only we do not understand the relationship between the Creator, the relationship between the Almighty. We cannot understand the relationship between me and the Creator of this universe. So if at all I am able to realize myself, then I can understand the whole universe. Then I can understand who is Almighty. Who is Almighty? If at all there is something wrong with the society, definitely I can say, like who belongs to any religion. If at all we understand properly the purpose of religion, the motto of religion, if at all we understand the main purpose of the religion, we never harm any other. We never cheat any other. We never lie any other. Totally we become harmless. We respect everybody. We love everybody. We try to help everyone. If at all something is going wrong, the half understanding, who do not understand properly what is religion or purpose of religion, such people only create all the nations in the society. I must thank Bhattacharya and their team of Puja Committee. They are able to bring every religious heads, religious people under one shelter with common understanding. With common understanding. This is a great, very, very great thing, I tell you. It is not an ordinary achievement. It is a very big achievement, I tell you. Of course, I am from Karnataka. Our Honorable MP, when I have been introduced, she was telling, you are from Hunsur. My name.
That our city or our society is when we stand together. I come here before you today as a young woman, humbled and grateful to have been invited to share the space of dialogue and peace. The Harmony Meet is very special to me because it shows what our society can be, a place where people of different faiths come not to compete, but to learn, to respect, and to walk together. Now, I must acknowledge something very important when I first received the invitation. The first Harmony Meet was held in the year 1993, and I was not born yet. I know of it only through stories told by those who came before me, and perhaps that is the beauty of it. What began in the year 1993 was not just an event, but it was a gift, a seed of trust and courage planted by our elders, which today rests in the hands of my generation to nurture and to grow. It is a profound responsibility and one that we must not take lightly. True harmony does not mean that everyone must be the same. It does not tell us to erase our differences, but harmony is not about having no differences. It is about having the courage to respect those differences while still working together as one. In every faith, we are taught to see the divine, and in that vision, we learn a deeper truth. The divine loves all people the same with endless